See the generator, inverter.
Yes, sir.
See
Generator,
what?
inverter.
See, actually, what they do now, they mesh inside that block. What is happening? I will just give it in brief. That inverter will control the DC link voltage. Can you see here where I am keeping the mouse? One capacitor between the two.
Yes, sir.
That is the DC link.
Ah,
That DC link voltage it will maintain.
okay.
See, only important points I am telling. You just note down. So how it does that means
Yes, sir.
the control mechanism measures.
Hello, what, sir?
No, how it is doing that. How that DC link voltage is maintained.
Okay.
What is the working principle? Maintain means how to maintain.
Okay.
For that, see the generator voltage and current will be measured. Then flux and torque will be estimated. And the estimated value of flux and torque will be compared with the reference values.
Okay.
So this process ensures that the DC link voltage is maintained. Okay. So again one more step I will again repeat the same thing. See,
Yes, sir.
the actual flux and torque which are estimated means you employ some matrix operation and then you estimate the flux and torque. So these two things are compared with the reference value. Once you compare with the reference value, you will get error in flux, error in torque. So this will be processed by hysteresis controller or fuzzy logic controller. Through some controller they will be processed, and that will be utilized to create the switching pulses. See, switching pulses means previously we worked we were working on we were using SCR in full control rectifier.
Yes, sir. Yes.
The only thing is that what we saw in the previous class, that is a rectifier, and here it is a inverter. Rectifier converts AC to DC.
Yeah.
Here it is called converter.
Yes.
Can you go to that power electronic switches in the main library? Facts and power electronic devices. Just hold on. See, what is the meaning of 6 pulse bridge? It is, yes, 4. It is containing 6 switches.
Switches, yeah.
4 pulse bridge you have designed, isn't it?
Yes, sir. Last time. Yeah.
Same thing. Another 2 switches additionally you will have. So that is called 6 pulse bridge.
Right.
So this entity is called as converter. 6 pulse converter. 6 pulse converter, 6 pulse bridge, all are same.
Right.
This is the module available in shops. When you want to fabricate this in hardware, this only they will give you. 6 pulse bridge they will give you. It is the user
Okay.
who has to adjust the firing angle in such a way to operate it as a rectifier or as an inverter.
Okay.
You get the point. The power electronic switch,
Yes, sir.
it is the same. Hardware is the same. How you supply the gate pulses, that will decide whether it is a rectifier or inverter.
Right.
Okay, is it clear?
Yes, sir.
The same device can operate in two modes. I am saying the same point in another word. Converter, it will operate in two modes, rectifier mode or inverter mode.